look at this.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you from EPHQ.EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and probably weird at times. If you've seen other episodes, you know it's going to be weird at times. Oh, man. So today's episode is all about how your soundtrack can create a mood. Not just emotion. We're not trying to draw out emotions, but we're trying to get to the mood. Like, think of the movie Jaws. Oh, like very cliche, very obvious, but it's like, you know, dun 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 dun. Kind of like, you know, like my hair right now kind of reminds me of Jaws. Actually, it reminds me more like a freaking Cupid doll or something. Or like a Hershey's Kiss. It's weird looking. Anyways, think about it. The music, the soundtrack can create the mood before a person even has an emotional response to what they're watching. It's pretty dope. It's really dope. I think probably for me, the most recent, example would be, I'm gonna go back to it, DJ Flavor Saver. The crunchy Scooby snack porno crunchy chimichanga jam that was used for the February 14th Valentine's Day special, where I was in a kilt sprawled out looking all, you know, looking good on a chaise lounge. Not really. I'm just being a dork. But for reals, like the music set the tone and set the mood. What do you guys use? Love to learn. Share it downstairs in the kilt zone. Downstairs in the kilt zone. That's it. Let's wrap it up. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ. Boom! EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, a bit weird for 365 bloody days. And until next time, remember to do one thing properly. You know what it is. Subscribe! Come on, subscribe. Ding dong, hit the bell, hit the button, be notified. I'll send a raven. And of course, stay caffeinated. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.